Hello, in this video we will go over creating custom limits for the FlowScout PON power meter. First, we'll want to create a folder on the desktop. And we'll call this folder the FlowScout test config. Then we will want to go to the AFL software page located at aflglobal.com/resources/software.aspx, and we will scroll down to the FlowScout section. Click on the plus to expand it, and we want to look for the test limit configurator. We'll click on it to highlight it dark blue. Scroll down. Click the download selected files button, fill out the form and click the submit form button. Going to verify the software we want and click download file. Once the download is completed, we can close out our web page and go into our downloads folder, highlight, cut, and paste the configurator into our folder. Now, once we've got it in the folder, we can simply double click the configurator, and that will bring up the default page for the configurator. These are the default limits that are pre-programmed into the FlowScout. It is a good recommendation to change the name of your file to something that makes more sense. This one we will call AFL. Now, to change our values, you simply double click on the value and enter your new value. Remember, at this point, you have to hit the enter key for the value to take place. If you don't, and just click on to the next value to change, it will revert back to the default. So remember, you want to hit that enter key after you've changed a value. Now, once you've updated and changed all the values to what you prefer, you're going to save the file. We're going to File, Save Limit to Folder, and for ease of to locate, we're going to just put it on the desktop. So we'll select the desktop folder, little file, and then you will now see the file on the desktop. We are now done with the configurator. We can close that out. Now we will go over to the FlowScout. You will want to connect the FlowScout to the PC using a USB to USB-C cable. Once you've connected the device, the FlowScout will automatically turn on. Now let's go back up to the PC. Now we will navigate on the PC and locate the FlowScout. Once we found the FlowScout, we will double click, and then we will drill down until we find the test limits folder. Double click on test limits. Minimize this so that we can now copy and then paste our file into the test limits folder. Now we have one more step to do, and that's back on the FlowScout. Now, once we've moved the file into that test limits folder, you want to power cycle the FlowScout and then verify your file is now in the limits. There it is. That is the end of our video. Thank you very much.